headlights are brilliant, aren't they?
I love
Is it
them.
like, do they call it like active headlights? Do they?
They're intelligent, adaptive.
Right. So they did, when they see another car or a pedestrian or a cyclist or something like that.
They'll adjust, yeah. And now they should go full wing straight away. Come on.
Yeah, there they go.
If I go slow. And they turn the steering wheel on. And also I think the camera picks up white lines if there's any white lines. And being LEDs, they're just so bright.
Yeah, they are bright, aren't they?
I haven't where are they? Is that front? Oh, that's my front. That's my front fox.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Please.
Okay, that's me pulled.
Nah, he won't. He was nowhere near. He's around the corner only. He could only hear you.
Right, we'll take this slowly. Shit, that was lucky. Might have seen the lights coming. No, yeah. It's just the darkest she's been out in. So it's lovely to see the lights. This one's going to go down well. My last one with the headlights.
Brakes are good.
She's got electronic brake assist.
Right.
So if you hit them and the car thinks, oh, there's a problem, they'll add. Look at those lights. They'll add more. I suppose that's if you've knocked yourself out halfway.